Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VBS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your mixes louder. Right, so we need our mixes to be loud so that they compete, and so that when we play them next to, a commercial song or your favorite artist, they can still stack up. Really, louder just sounds better to us. So we want to make sure your songs are loud and punchy and clear. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. All right, working in my free template. If you don't have a template for recording in Logic or in Pro Tools, check out my templates, man. They're completely free and they're gonna change the way that you sound, completely change the way that you record, and really inspire you to make some great songs right away. All right, so check those out down below. Let's jump into the video. I'll play you back everything as it is now, and then we'll start to get it a little bit louder. All right, let's get it.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment.
All right, bet. So as you can hear, the song already sounds pretty good. It's almost there. Really, our goal is just to get some more volume out of it. So the first thing that you have to do is control the song well, which we've already done. Our mix bus is dialed in. We've already got everything kind of compressed to where we want it to be. So the song is ready to be made loud. So let's start at the end. We're actually going to start with our limiter, and we're going to see how much volume we can get out of the track before it starts to fall apart or starts to sound crazy. And then we can dial in the rest of the tone and other aspects of the master or the other loudness effects that we really want to get in there. All right, so let's see what we got.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment. Now let it out cause this arraignment.
Cool, so I dialed in the gain. We kind of got the level where we wanted to go. I used some light compression just to knock down a few peaks. Let's go back to Ozone. This is kind of the first thing that we're going to use to get things loud. It's just going to be a basic EQ and a maximizer. So we already have the maximizer dialed in. It comes like this in Instant Mix, but the EQ is there for you to kind of tweak it, and I'll show you what I mean.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment. Now let it out cause this arraignment. I'm virus, I'm viral, Osiris, I'm biased. My darkness is timeless, no kindness and no.
Cool, so I just wanted to get that maximizer kind of dialed in first. Same thing, we just wanted to take off kind of the highest peaks, right? So now let's go ahead and dive into this EQ.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment. Now let it out cause this arraignment. I'm virus, I'm viral, Osiris, I'm biased. My darkness is timeless. Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that drain.
Cool, so as you can hear, it just kind of smooths everything out. These are just very subtle moves, but if we can smooth out the EQ and kind of the spikes and frequencies, if we can smooth those out a little bit, we can get a little bit more volume out of the track. So we've done our Ozone step, which is basically just EQ and some maximizing. Let's go ahead over to the clipper, where we're actually gonna kind of shave off the last bit of peaks, add a little bit of saturation, and really hard limit things. So let's see what we got.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment. Now let it out cause this arraignment. I'm virus, I'm viral, perky white, ballin', hoopin', soar like Dwight.
And so basically what I'm doing is I'm pushing this the signal, I'm pushing the gain of the signal until we're just getting the very, very top peaks shaved off. So I'm gonna overdo it and let you hear what it sounds like.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment. Now let it out cause this arraignment. I'm virus, I'm viral, Osiris, I'm biased.
So you can really also drive that clipper to get a thicker sound out of your mix, to kind of add some extra saturation, some extra power to your mix. Really, I could go either way with it. I think I'm gonna go back to kind of how we had it, just because it was a little more subtle, and his vocal is already so aggressive. There's enough saturation there. We don't really need to dial in anymore. So let's go back and revisit our limiter now, see where our levels are, see if we need to dial anything back. And pretty much that's how we're getting our song loud. Let's see.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment. Now let it out cause this arraignment. I'm virus, I'm viral, Osiris, I'm biased.
Boom. And as you can see, this is super loud. I'm going to strip these plugins back and let you see how loud it was before we added our loudness processing and kind of, you know, go back and forth. So let's see how loud we are without everything.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key contain.
So I mean, it's balanced, it sounds good, but once we add these last few, you know, loudness factors, it just really boosts the song. Let's listen again.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key contain.
And yeah, man, that's it. If you're struggling to get your songs to sound professional, it's probably because they might not be loud enough. So use these 3 tips. Get your songs loud, get them punchy. Look, if you need to learn how to mix all of your songs perfectly in 30 minutes, check out my free training below. It's going to teach you how to mix your songs in 30 minutes or less, and it's free. So check that out, man. Remember, my name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble and make diamonds only. Peace.
Different flavors, I'm higher for all of the I take the paper out, I rummage your house, I make it like fucking amazing. Who knew shit was so entertaining? I see the shit that you low-key containing. That shit is not meant for containment. Now let it out cause this arraignment. I'm virus, I'm viral, Osiris, I'm biased. My darkness is timeless, no kindness. In a week so what I digest and I reap those